Okay, so in the screen in front of you, there's a list of all of the things you need to have prepared. So if you don't have it prepared, prepare it. Now let's all start. Firstly, put both of your hands on the ground in front of you, and now repeat after me. Say Om Bhumye Namaha. Om Kurmaya Namaha. Om Anantaya Namaha. Now place both of your hands by your heart. Now your forehead, and now the back of your head. Now place both of your hands on your lap with your palms facing upward. We will breathe in and out 3 times. Now, with your index fingers and your thumb, place them together like this, and then place them on your lap. Take a deep breath, and when we exhale, let's all chant the mantra Om together. Now take a spoon of water, hold it with your left hand, dip your ring finger inside it, and now say the mantra Om and touch the spot between your 2 eyebrows. Om. Now take a spoon of water, hold it with your right hand, and now we will do a sankalp. A sankalp is an agreement with God. We're going to ask God that, oh God, please guide me throughout my day, and please protect me, and please correct me where I'm wrong. Now say the mantra Om and place the spoon of water inside the plate. Om. Now put your hands together, look at God, and repeat after me. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Ishta Devata Bhyo Namaha. Om Kula Devata Bhyo Namaha. Om Grama Devata Bhyo Namaha. Om Sthana Devata Bhyo Namaha. Om Sarvebhyo Devebhyo Namaha. Now think of your guru. If you don't have a guru, then think of Lord Krishna. Our scriptures have said, Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum. Shri Krishna is our guru. So if we don't have a guru, then we can just think of Lord Krishna as our guru. Put your hands together, and in your mind think of your guru or Shri Krishna, and now say Om Gurave Namaha. Now look at the lamp and say to the lamp that, O lamp, please remove all the darkness that's within me and all of the darkness that is around me. Please remove all of the bad from inside of me and the bad in everyone in this world. Now say Om Di Narayanaya Namaha. Now look up at the sky and look at the sun and say that, "Oh Lord Sun, oh Surya Bhagavan, please protect me throughout the day and please guide me. And also increase my positivity and my energy." Now say Om Suryaya Namaha. Now put both of your hands on your ears like this, and now think of your parents in your mind. Now say Om Matru Pitru Charana Kamale Bhyo Namaha. Now put your hands on your lap like this again, and we will chant the Gayatri Mantra together. Okay? Om Bhur Bhuvah Svaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om. Now we will have a short meditation. Close your eyes with your hands on your lap and just think of God. In your heart, try to imagine a light. Try to imagine your most favorite God. Ask God to protect you at all times and throughout the day. Now put your hands together and say Om. Om.